Hi, good morning. My name is Tammy. I wanted to create this video for you because your Facebook ad came across my feed. So I'm a local marketer here in Greensboro, North Carolina, and I just wanted to give you some tips on how you could better your online presence. So looking at your website, you have a beautiful looking website, and you offer a lot of services, which is great as well. And you're BBB accredited, which is really good. You have a YouTube channel I saw. The only thing I would say that you're missing is content. So the average ad has about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the home page alone. And the reason for that is the more keywords you can put in there, the more Google's going to recognize you, the services that you offer, and the service locations. You can have about one keyword for 125 words of content. Otherwise, if you do more than that, it's considered keyword stuffing and you can get docked for that. So definitely having more content is king in Google's eyes. It makes you look like an authority. So I'll go over to a paid tool that we use called Ahrefs, and I did go ahead and put you up here at the top, and I'll just break down the analytics a little bit for you. I actually came from Ohio a few weeks ago, so I'm still learning the businesses around here who's been around for a while and not. So I'm not sure, looking off your analytics, it would look like you're a beginning business. My apologies if you're not, but I'm going to just compare you with another site and you can see the potential value and the opportunities available to you. So the DR and the UR, this is your power and trust rating within Google. It goes up to 100. And then you get that power and trust by the number of relevant backlinks that you have. So you're at 267. And here it's not so important the quantity as much as the quality. So you want to get other roofing or contractor constructions linking to you versus fast food restaurants that would be considered spammy because they have nothing to do with your business. And a backlink is any website that has a link that leads back to yours. So it would be your business as a hyperlink on another roofing website, for example. And then you're being found for 69 organic keywords. So if I click on these, most of them are pretty relevant that you have. The only ones that I would see that aren't are the ones that are near me. Those are national keywords. So TPO Roofers National. Near me is a national keyword, where Greensboro and High Point, that's more city specific and that's what you want to go for. So we have all our keywords over in this section here, the search volume per month, how many times per month somebody is searching those keywords. And then over here, the keyword difficulty, or how hard it is to rank one of those keywords on a web page. So to get you onto the first page of Google, we do 10 or less. And then once we get you there, we can go after the more difficult ones. And then I can show you, you're roughly getting around one person visiting your site each month. So we definitely could be improving that. I did go ahead and bring up somebody that was over here in what we call the Google Map Pack. So this is the top 3. This is where you want to be organically because at least 30% of your business is going to be coming from here. And I did type in Roofing Greensboro right there. So I just chose Baker Roofing Company. According to their analytics, I'd say they've been around for a while. You can see their power and trust rating here within Google is very strong. They have a lot of backlinks, which these, to make them not spammy, you don't want to add them in all at once. You want to filter them out throughout the month and just add them in slowly so it looks natural and organic. And then they're being found for 7,400 organic keywords, and they're getting roughly around 19,000 people visiting their site each month. And then they are paying for some ads as well, so you can see that there too. But what we do, it's called the copycat method. And so we take the keywords that they're getting ranked for, and if it's services and service areas that you're providing them in as well, we can use those. There's also lots of filters that after speaking with you, we can find out more of what you do and see if there's anything else that's not on here that we're missing that we could get you ranked for. But you can see the search volume, even just roofing company. Of course, we want city specific, but roofing company in Raleigh, I know that's about an hour away from the Triad area, but just for example, 250 search volume, and the KD is 4, so super easy to rank this keyword. And then also if you wanted to run a Google ad, it goes over the cost per click, the CPC. Say you wanted to run that, it would cost you $8.71. So I just wanted to go over this and show you the potential value. I'm sure from 1 to 19,000 that could definitely help your family, help your business to be growing. And the reason I chose Baker, they were up here in the organic section. So this is where your backlinks comes into play and also citations. And a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. There's Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, and you have a few of those. But what we do is we see how many your competitor has with another tool that we use. And then say they had 50, for example. We always want to get you more. So 75, 100. That way you're really dominating your competition in the space when it comes to backlinks and citations. And then down below here, you'll see Baker right here as well. And this is where your content is going to come into place and all the words that you have within your website. So that's why it's so important to have buyer intent keywords on your website. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you. Have a great day.